Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. I have with me Archie, Nesbitt, Marksmen Energy Inc., publicly traded company. I'm going to give you two symbols, MAH on the TSX Venture and MKSEF on the OTCQB. Archie, welcome back. It's been a while, but welcome back to SNNLive.
And thank you very much for having me. It's been a great event, and I've met some wonderful people and had a great time. Thanks, Shelley.
Thank you for saying that.
Thank you.
So let's get into it. Give us an overview on Marksmen. By the way, I sat in on your presentation this morning.
Okay. Well, Marksmen is a startup oil company. And, you know, recently we've had some depressed oil prices. But Marksmen's wells make a lot of money. And we're an anomaly in the world. There's only a few places where you can now drill and make money on every well. We're in the United States of America. We're in Ohio. We're drilling conventionally. We're not drilling horizontal wells and doing big fracks, so we don't have earthquakes. And we don't drill uneconomic wells, which most of these horizontal wells are today with the prices. So we have a very aggressive program in Ohio. We started several years ago with engineering and geology. We just started drilling last year, and in the next 60 to 90 days we'll bring on 4 tremendous oil wells which will make money at today's current oil prices, and as oil comes back to its normal pricing levels, we'll make a lot more. So what we've done is taken new science to an old historic area where there's been great oil. There's 42 API oil. We all know Pennsylvania crude. It's great oil. There's nobody looking there in a big way. There's no public companies very aggressive in what we're doing. We have no competition. So we're amassing a very large land position. We have a team of landmen. I have the greatest team of technical people, engineers and geologists working for me and based in Columbus, Ohio. And we've gone from 0 last year to 4 producing wells. We've done a lot of 3-dimensional seismic, so we've got 20 oil fields as targets to drill now, right away, and we're going to initiate another 3D seismic program possibly within 2 weeks on one of our land positions, and probably a 3rd and 4th 3D seismic acquisition program this year.
Question.
Yes.
How many barrels are you producing right now?
Well, we've gone from 0 to about 50, and we think that'll triple within 60 to 90 days. But you have to remember, the total cost for our wells is $250,000. It's not 8 million. Sorry, it's not 8 million. It's not 10 million or 12 million. It's $250,000, including the pump. So
let's talk about the new technology for a minute. Tell me about it.
Well, you do very detailed, very expensive seismic, which today is being utilized in several different jurisdictions where they're looking for oil. So it's tight-spaced lines and sensors and radio waves of several magnitudes are sent into the Earth, and you get a three-dimensional view of your oil field. And so you take your drill rig and you drill in the center of that oil field. Ohio has 300,000 wildcat wells. They were drilled just like this, you know, they had no science. We have that history. We know where they found oil in the formation we're looking for, and we just do our seismic and absolutely pinpoint the oil field.
What's your background?
Well, I've been in resources my whole life. My dad was a prospector, a mine finder in uranium back in the 40s. I was raised in mining, but went to university, studied mining, studied oil and gas geology, and have a business and law degree, and I've been creating public companies since I was 16.
All right, so for more information, let's get your website out there.
www.marksmenenergy.com.
That's MARKSMEN Energy Inc. I'm Shelley Craft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. Arch.
Thank you very much, Shelley. Thank you.
Great to see you.
Thank you. Great to see you. Thank you.